Yeah, the article I published was in the Canadian Medical Association Journal, and it really is reflecting back on the so-called psychedelic renaissance that's occurred in the last few years, where scientific researchers have started asking whether the ban on psychedelics that occurred in the late 1960s has really ended some promising research, and whether now, 50 or almost 60 years later, there might be an opportunity to revisit some of that research with renewed medical technology, with renewed cultural attitudes about drugs and about healing in this 21st century context. Well, it remains to be seen whether Saskatchewan will play a role in the future of LSD research, but certainly it had an important part to play in the past. The word psychedelic, in fact, was coined here in Saskatchewan in 1957. It was first published. It was the superintendent of the Weyburn Hospital who introduced that word into the English lexicon. And it was researchers here in Saskatchewan who really pioneered some of the research that was being done with LSD, both in terms of identifying a model psychosis, which is a bit of a flawed idea, but the concept was that by taking LSD you could empathize with people with schizophrenia or with other psychotic symptoms, that it would produce hallucinations and disordered thinking and disrupted behavior that mirrored or matched some of the behavior that they saw in their institutionalized patients. And so this is a really important insight into how we accommodate people with mental illnesses, but also how we might understand their behavior.